Come test drive the 2017 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.